Yo, what's up guys? It's Pyros here, the Crypto Pie, and today in Crypto Trading Basics we're going to be talking about the Fibonacci tool, alright? And what can we do with the Fibonacci tool? So you will go up here, normally there's a pitchfork here, so let's take it as it is. So you go to Trading View, you have your chart open, whatever you're looking at, then when you go up here, you click this little arrow here, and you go down to the Fib retracement. That's what you pick, alright? Then bottom to top, and it will place a Fibonacci. This is not the default, I edited my colors. I will show you guys how I have it set. Mine are a little different. So I like to have everything gray by default. I don't like all these colorful charts, right? Normally it's very colorful. So, and I got my extended lines, I got levels, prices, I got the labels to the right, and then the price is like the middle, right? You can see if you do top, middle, whatever, it's however you want it, you can customize it yourself. And I got the 786 area green. That's because it's between the 618 and 786. That is an excellent buying area. So yeah, I made that green for myself. However, I do buy as well at the 0.5 mark, sometimes even 0.382. It depends where a bounce comes, right? If I see a bounce and it's already going back up, then I'm still jumping in because a dip has just happened then. So let's take a look at some live examples here. So we can let's first just go on the Bitcoin chart. So I'm double clicking here in order to see the chart. So why did it drop here, right? And forget about these lines that are here, they just help out as EMA lines. So we pick the Fibonacci tool, you take the bottom of the last dip before this happened, alright? So before this happened, I already predicted in my Telegram group that it would go to about 12k, and it went a little higher, but I'll show you why, guys. It's because I didn't want you guys to buy in an area that is kind of insecure, right? So we take the bottom here, guys, and then we go up to the top, right? This was the top, done. So this was the bottom from the last dip, and then we go to the top, and what do we get? Okay, we get a few Fibonacci levels, right? The Fibonacci levels are nothing more than support levels. So you simply do this, and look at this, guys. So let's zoom in a little bit more. You can see that the price hit the 236 and it kind of ignored it. Then it hit the 382 and it didn't ignore it. It went there, it went back up, so, and then it went back down again. This is what we call a ABC. A, B, C. Okay? So, but that is a bit more advanced. We'll get into that later. But you can see after that it dropped further and it hit the 0.5 level here, which is about 13,000. It went a little lower, 12.8. Where did it go? Exactly to this top. So yeah, if you were not in Bitcoin yet, it would have been a good entry to be in here. Now I know I told you guys to enter like around here. That's because it's close to the green area. I want you guys to be safe. However, if you understood Fibonacci and you saw it already a green candle appear in here, you could have been like, yeah, I'll jump in since it's bouncing on the 0.5. However, it could have also done something like going here up a little bit back to the 382 here and then back down. Okay, so 0.5 is, you can scale in, alright, scale in. Don't go big in there yet, because it could definitely come down here. Now it didn't in this case, so we got to the 0.5 area and then back up. Let's take a look at another example of a Fibonacci. We can just go any chart really. Let's just take Ethereum, okay? Okay, so we got Ethereum here, guys. Remember to use bigger time frames in order to see the overall picture. So, well, what did we have here? We can just take random dips. This dip, this top. Where did it go, guys? Well, 0.5, if you would have entered here, you would have still been alright. You see, but you had a better entry. 618 would have been better, and close to 786. So in the green area, actually in the green area, you could have just had bids like starting here, 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 and then except for this one wouldn't been hit, but the rest would have all been filled, and you'd be a happy camper. So Fibonacci, guys, it works. So another one. This was another dip. We had another top. Where did it go? 0.5 area. You can see you could have bought here, here, and go back up. No. We have, so this was the dip then. We go up to this top. Where did we go? 0.5 area. Here, here. So you can see it works, alright? So let's just take a totally weird chart here. Edge. Okay, what is edge? What the fuck is edge, right? Well, this was the dip. Here's the top. Where did we go? We went to the green area. 786. You buy. You gotta sell early because it's kind of like in a bearish situation. So it's only a small bounce and then further down. But it still bounced nonetheless. Let's just take one more example, guys. Let's just go crazy here and click. Alright, Mona. What can we say about Mona, guys? So here was the bottom, right? Here was the bottom. We go to the top, and what do we see here? We hit the 786. We went back up, and we made a new high. Why is that high this high? I'll get into that in a later video. I'll do a video on Fibonacci extensions. This is retracements. So yeah, guys, this is how I trade, and it works very well. This is how you can predict where the drop is going to be, and you can see that Fibonacci works really well. It works over and over and over again. So let's just get back to Bitcoin. So in the longer term, right? If we take a higher time frame, like a 3-day here, what does that tell us, guys? Well, we had like up here, this was our dip, right? That's some ridiculous level, guys. What is this? 164. We would go to the top here. Yeah, then we can get back all the way to 3,800, you see. But don't worry about that too much, guys. Alright. Bitcoin's doing just fine. And obviously we will have a dip to this trend line at some point, but for now we're good. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button. If you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.